I remember when my son was born, for the first 1 year, I gave him bath with filtered RO water as I wanted to protect his delicate skin against the hard water in our area. Ever since we moved here, I was facing terrible hair fall due to residue buildup on the scalp from hard water. I came across Kent bathroom water softeners that converts hard water into soft water, which is gentle on skin and hair. They did a water hardness test and it was way higher than it should be. Very easy to install, does not use electricity, and can be easily regenerated using common table salt. Given the water condition here, it was the need of the hour for me and my family.